Bye. Welcome to the show.
All right, so Alexie, you just watched what movie?
Ralph 1.
Ralph 1, so Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah.
And what did you see in that movie?
What's all the white sticks called?
I forget if they're stalagmites or stalactites. They're the ones that were falling from the ceiling, and they fell into a pit of hot Diet Coke. And then what happened?
It made a big boom.
It was Mentos falling in the Diet Coke. So, Zoe, what are we doing? Are we going to the store? Going to the store, gonna go get some Diet Coke and some Mentos?
Yeah.
Go see what happens. We're gonna do the experiment ourselves?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alexie,
Yeah.
what are we gonna go get here?
What's the big sticks called then?
It's made out of, the candy is called Mentos.
Okay.
And then what's the liquid?
I don't remember.
Diet Coke. So that's our
Diet
grocery
Coke.
list. That's our list, is Mentos and Diet Coke. Okay? Aww. Little baby hug. Okay, here we go. I found one of the ingredients. Right here.
Mentos.
There you go.
Yay!
Okay, we need the Diet Coke now, right?
Yeah. Hi.
And then we need to get some Diet Coke.
Yeah. We need Diet Coke.
Alexie, what's gonna happen when we put the Mentos?
It's gonna go.
It's gonna go kaboom?
Yeah.
So Alexie, I looked it up.
Yep.
In the movie Wreck-It Ralph,
Yeah.
you saw those big things that were gonna fall. They're made out of Mentos, which you gotta pack there. And they're called stalactites. Those are the ones that hang from the ceiling in a cave. So that's in the game Sugar Rush, when Wreck-It Ralph is visiting his friend Vanellope. Alexie, you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Yeah. Let's go outside.
1, 2, 3. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so we have 7.
Yep.
Okay, so we have our tube.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna put them in our tube.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's hard to do with the bugs. Okay, you ready? Okay, come on over here.
You ready?
Are you ready? Oh. Okay, let's see if this works.
Yes.
I think maybe we should
Back
a
up.
little
Take
bit.
2 steps back.
Back up.
Is it gonna do it?
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Whoa! A whole bunch of them shot out.
Oh.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Funny.
Alexie,
Yeah.
what did you think of the Mentos explosion?
It was awesome. I thought it'd be like this big.
Wasn't as big as you thought?
Yeah.
It was still pretty cool though, eh?
Yeah.
I think some of the Mentos got launched out when the Coke exploded. It pushed the Mentos out. So if we try it again, we have to make sure that all the Mentos go inside and stay inside. We have Diet Coke, we have Mentos.
Yeah.
Here's what happened. We're redoing our experiment. We weren't too happy with the last time. The black flies were terrible. And when I put the Mentos in the bottle, a whole bunch of them shot out. So we have a stiffer tube, and we're gonna put the Mentos in the tube, and we're gonna kind of like line them up, and then we're just gonna move the tube over and let the Mentos drop in, and hopefully the pressure doesn't make any of them pop out.
Yeah.
Okay? So we gotta open up the Mentos.
Yeah.
You wanna open that up?
Yeah.
You got 7 out, Alexie?
You get 7 Mentos out. That's what Spangler Science says. 7 Mentos. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. We need just one.
One more.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many is that
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I got 7.
All right. Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
Zoe, you're gonna have to back
I want
up,
you to
kiddo.
pop them in, put them in the tube.
Yeah.
You and Zoe, put them in the tube.
Okay.
Zoe, put them in the tube, baby.
Okay. I got the error.
All right. Alexie, I need you to take the top off the Diet Coke. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Whoa!
Wow.
That worked pretty good. That was better than last time.
Yeah, that was way better. What's happening is all the little Mentos are helping to release the carbon dioxide out of the Coke.
So what did you think of that, Alexie?
That is awesome.
That was awesome?
Yeah. What those little things called them?
Mentos.
Mentos. So right now the Mentos didn't came out. That's pretty good.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
tube really helped. It worked,
Yeah.
eh? The Mentos went straight in and didn't fall out.
Yeah.
We got a reaction we were looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's pretty cool. And how high did the geyser go? I think it was like this tall. We'll have to look at the video afterwards.
Just a couple feet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was pretty neat.
I think it went made this high.
No, it was taller than that. It was as tall as you.
At least. I think it was taller than you, Alexie.
Made like this tall. Yeah, right tall. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, you need to subscribe. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Yeah.
Bye!